Hey everyone, I'm Nikhil Chawla. This is the Unbiased Blog, and today we have something very special for you to unbox with us. Let's go ahead and unbox this. But before we unbox, look at this packaging. Might look like a normal black box to you, but if I tell you this is made from 100% recycled materials, feels good, right? Because in a way we're also saving environment while we're doing so many unboxings, and these packages reach millions of people. So if you're saving one box at a time, it's always good for the environment. Well, this proves Dell is really betting on sustainability. All these packagings are made from sustainable materials, be this inner plastic or the outer packaging. In fact, the new Precision 5000 series of notebooks and workstations are made in such a way that they reduce use of single-use plastic. So you'll find it everywhere that the single-use plastic is kind of eradicated from all the packaging or all the materials that Dell is using. You know what's interesting? This packaging right here is made from ocean-bound plastics. But what's inside the box is what matters. Let's go ahead. So I think the packaging might have revealed a bit that this is something from Dell. But what is it? Let's go ahead and check out. I'm gonna keep this box on the side. When we talk about powerful computers, what comes in our mind? We think about these big rooms with a lot of server space, a lot of machinery, a lot of RAM, a lot of hard drive, a lot of equipment. But what if I tell you in my hand is the world's smallest, thinnest, most portable 14 inches workstation. This is the Dell Precision 5470. Can you believe this? This is an actual workstation, so small. And this is with the packaging. Once I remove it from the packaging, it'll be like slimmest ever seen. So are you ready for that moment when you witness the most powerful, smallest, thinnest workstation ever? This is what I'm talking about, the Dell Precision 5470. Believe it or not, it might look like a normal notebook to you. This is a workstation, a powerhouse, and this is gonna blow your mind when we start testing it and show you what all it's capable of. So let's first unbox this and see what all comes in the box, and then we'll talk about what are the benchmarks, review it, test it to the limit, and prove it to you that it's the most powerful notebook ever. The workstation is crazy. So inside you get these booklets, we'll keep on side, and this portable charger. Look at this, workstation you used to have these big chargers. Not anymore. With Dell, you get this slim charger that really charges it. And this is a 90-watt charger, mind you. This looks like, a normal 30-watt charger. This is a 90-watt charger with Type-C connectivity to charge your machine on the go. So that's all that you get in the box. Now what we're gonna do is set it up, test it for you guys, benchmark it to the limit in this video. So the best part about this workstation is it doesn't have any competitors. There are no competitors in this segment. The workstation segment, 14 inches, is nowhere even close to what Dell offers. This comes with Intel vPro i5 processor. We'll talk about that later because we're going to start testing it. Well, this workstation is surprisingly light and thin for the power it offers. Just look at it. I can hold it in one hand easily, and the kind of material it has used, the aluminum chassis, the carbon fiber armrest, is just brilliant, out of the world, making it look even more sleek and chic. Just look at that beauty. I mean, workstations don't have to be boring. Dell is actually making them very fashionable, very chic, and I love that design. The Precision 5470 shares the DNA of a Dell's XPS premium consumer line, from the laptop's overall profile to the semi-transparent fiber-reinforced keyboard deck. The glowing power button incorporates a fingerprint reader for secure logins, and speaker grills flanks the full-size keyboard. The top-firing speakers are matched to a pair of down-firing subwoofers on the Dell's bottom that gives the sound a little more heft. Precision 5470 really personifies how small machines can make big ideas come to life. The optimal screen and the Comfort View Plus makes it easy to scan through wireframes, designs, and much more. Well, I can't help reiterating that this 14-inch machine has immense amount of power on your fingertips. It is built with Intel Core i9 processors and 14-core optional professional Intel graphics or NVIDIA RTX graphics, which makes it perfect for high-end graphics and application which creative professionals would need, especially for 2D, 3D, CAD, graphic designing, video editing, and a lot more which creative professionals need. In fact, when we shoot all this video from different angles, we are gonna test this machine and edit it on this machine itself. Moreover, the advanced thermals on this machine keep it cool throughout. Whether you're doing a heavy task or a light task, it doesn't matter because this thermal can handle it all. One of the most unique and powerful feature of this machine is the Dell Optimizer. Dell Optimizer is a built-in AI platform that is something that the competitors lack, and that makes it stand out. This platform helps Precision 5470 to understand how the user works and makes the experience more personalized by bringing up the most used apps and software. So when it comes to battery performance, this workstation sidelines all the battery constraints. Thanks to its long-lasting battery and express charge capabilities. So now let's talk about the camera and speakers of this device, because when you are a creative professional, you need that the most. First up, it features a Windows Hello IR camera that has proximity sensor inbuilt. The sensor recognizes the users and automatically locks and unlocks, and the dual mics and 4 speakers are right here, so you're always secure. If you move out from your desk, the computer automatically locks itself. Once you come back, it senses you with the proximity sensor and the Windows AI Hello camera. It notes that you're here, your face is scanned, and it unlocks automatically. They also feature intelligent audio that helps filter the background noise. So it won't be wrong to say that this workstation offers the best meeting experience ever. So your online meetings feel that you're doing face-to-face meetings, which is much needed for today's hybrid work style, right? Now, when you're a creative professional or using a workstation like this, security is your top priority, and you'll be happy to know that this workstation offers the best security out there. Starting with the power button, which uses a fingerprint sensor to unlock your devices, and it also well lit so that you know this is the button. It's not like a black button out there. It has a highlight to it. So touch of a button, it locks or unlocks your computer, which is really important. So when you power on, this is your fingerprint reader also, and a power button also. Great. Starting with the power button, which doubles as a fingerprint reader, to the chassis intrusion sensor, which identifies when the chassis or the BIOS has been compromised. All in all, the Precision 5470 is a complete machine and offers everything that you would expect from a workstation. But again, it's the most powerful, small, yet best looking workstation out there. Its multi-faceted features and this form factor of 14 inches workstation really stands apart from the competition, because I haven't seen something like this. So for more such videos, do not forget to like, subscribe and share. And if you really like this machine and have any more questions for us, please leave a comment below or tweet to us on the Unbiased blog or at Nikhil Chawla. Thanks for watching the Unbiased blog.